Hey cookie friends, today we're warming up winter with these adorable pink snowflake cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. These fun snowflake cookies would be perfect for a winter set or even a Valentine's Day set, and everything you need to know to make these cookies is listed in the description, so grab your supplies and let's decorate. My pink royal icing is about a 15-second consistency, and I'm just going to stay right up next to the edge here and carefully go around the cookie to give it an outline. I can make some swirls to change directions, or I can stop and start, or just touch down at each intersection and continue on. Just stay as close to the edge as you can, and when you finish outlining, use the same icing to go ahead and flood it in. I'm not too worried that this icing will overflow because it is a 15-second consistency, but you can leave a little gap between the edge of the cookie where you outlined it and the interior, and then use your scribe to settle that icing down and get it all the way out to the edge. And if your outline isn't quite to the edge, you can also use your scribe to push your outline all the way to the edge of the cookie, give it a little shake, and then set it aside to dry. I let mine dry completely overnight, but 15 minutes should be long enough in most climates. And now I'm ready to go ahead and make my snowflake. So I'm using a detailed consistency icing here, and I'm just going to touch down, lift up with my red icing, and with even pressure, drag a line across the cookie. And you can see that my line broke. Don't flurry. To fix it, just touch down, lift up, and drag a little line across, and use your scribe to blend the stop and start points together. And easy freezy, it's all fixed. And grab your red icing again, and let's go ahead and make one more line going down the middle. So touch down, lift up your piping bag, and drag your line across. And next up, we want to make a little V at the end of each line. So touch down with your icing, lift up just slightly, and drag a line to the middle, and then touch down, lift up, and drag a line back up. And you're going to want to do this all the way around the cookie. And once those V's are done, let's make some little lines in the middle. So just touch down, lift up, and touch down again, making snow mini little lines all the way around this cookie. And if you have any bumps at the start or stop of each one of your lines, just grab your scribe and settle those down. And if you finish with those little lines, go ahead and make some dots in between each area. And we're almost done. To finish, we're just going to top off each one of these lines with a little heart. So you're going to want to touch down at the end of each line and then curl around, making a heart, and then touching down at the end. So just go slowly, lift your icing up a little bit away from the cookie, touch down in the center, and then curve around and drop your line down at the other end. And then these cookies are done. They're so much fun to make, and I hope you enjoy making them too. Thanks so much for watching. If you found any of this helpful, please hit that subscribe button, and I wish you a wonderful winter season. Bye for now.